Hello, in front of me I've got PS5 Slim. In this video I'll show you how to install stands. For the PS5 Slim, we've got these two stands attached to original box. In order to install them, you simply have to push them into these two holes located on the bottom of the console. First here and the second here. Make sure that this curve is inside the console, facing inside the console. And now you can place your console standing. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.